Namaste to all students. Khushro Vidya. Myself JVN Dr. Khushbu Verma, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about microfilaments. Microfilament is a part of cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton has been classified into three types. First is microtubule, second is microfilament, and third one is intermediate filaments. So today we will discuss about microfilament. This session is related to course cell biology of program BTech FBT, BTech MTech FBT and BSc FND third trimester. So as we have discussed in previous class that cytoskeleton help in the structure of cell, and it gives the shape and internal organization to the cell, and microfilament has two types of filament. First is actin filament and second is myosin filament. And about the functions of microfilament, so it is involved in cytokinesis, amoeboid movement, cell motility, changes in cell shape, endocytosis and exocytosis, mechanical stability. It means it will be involved in the muscular contraction and muscle formation. First of all, we will discuss about actin filaments. So actin filaments are fine thread-like protein fibers, and one fiber diameter is approximately 3 to 7 nanometer. It is composed of two strands of actin, and one single strand is known as F-actin. And the basic unit of F-actin is G-actin, and G-actin is generally monomer. It has a binding site for ATP, and when it is in the form of monomer, it will be it will be attached to the ATP only. But when it will go to attach F-actin, or you can say that when it will go for the preparation of F-actin strand, then it will hydrolyze the ATP, and then ATP will be hydrolyzed into the ADP, and then it will go and it will attach to the growing F-actin strand. So that's how F-actin strand prepare, and two F-actin strands made up a complete actin filament. Here we can see a simplified structure of F-actin strand. This is one F-actin strand. This is another F-actin strand. This is G-actin monomer. G-actin monomer has binding site for ATP. So generally it will bind to the ATP, but when it goes to the F-actin strand, growing strand, and when it attached to the growing strand, ATP will be hydrolyzed into the ADP, and then it will attach to the F-actin strand. Two F-actin strands will make a actin complete strand. Next one is myosin, and yes, actin filament is known as thin filament, and myosin, which is second microfilament, it is known as thick filament, plays a key role in regulating cell shape and polarity. Myosin participate in signal transduction and sensory perception pathways. The motor domain of myosin contains the ATP and actin binding site, and it is responsible for converting the energy from ATP hydrolyze into mechanical work. As I have told you in previous slide, that myosin and actin both are involved in the muscle formation, and they are prominently involved in the muscle contraction process. So that's why myosin needs ATP, and myosin needs ATP hydrolysis for the mechanical work and for muscle contraction and relaxation. If we discuss about the structure of myosin or thick filament, so it has two type of chains. First is heavy chain, two heavy chains, and second is two pair of light chain, which is known as LC1 and LC2. And heavy chains head region are globular in structure and known as myosin head. And myosin tail is like alpha helix coil, and on the myosin head, light chain pairs will be arranged around it. So this is the basic structure of myosin filament, and myosin filament has two polypeptide chains, as I have discussed, that form two heads. A long tail head has binding site for actin and for ATP, and two small polypeptide wound around each neck of the protein. It means you can say total 4 in dimer, and two head acts independently. Myosin tails associated to form thick filament, head sticking out, and head multiple bind to actin thin filament part of muscle fiber. So this is the sum up of this session, and this session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my session, and if you have any query, kindly comment in the box, and I will resolve it. Thank you.